Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Car Place in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this Dacia Sandero Stepway. This vehicle comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, has DAB digital radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and also comes with air conditioning. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's using our click and collect service, our home delivery service, or just arranging an appointment to come and view the vehicle. We hope to see you soon. Thank you.